Hello to all. In this video, I'm going to share a function called group and ungroup. So to show this function, I have a data of a organization called QAZ Global Limited, and there are various details of this organization like full-time employee, part-time employee, how many employees are there, goods sold, what is their cost, what is their profit, and others. So I want to represent this data to my manager. Let's assume that, and I want to show him only the key points, that is total employees to cost of goods sold and total profit. But I also want to keep the s- other details, and I want him that if he clicks one, then other details also gets opened for him. Sorry about this. Opens for him, and he can view the details with the overview. So what I can do, I can use group function. To what group function will do, it will automatically hide this entire selected region, and it will give a small button here in the left hand side where you can click and you can expand this. Basically group will contract, or it will accumulate all these rows from row number 3 till 12. So to do that, I have selected this entire region which I want to group or I want to contract. I will go to the data and view, and you just need to click here. As you can see, it has inserted a line and a dash here. If I click here, it will contract, or it will merge all the cells into one. It will contract all the cells here, and only you this total employees will be viewed. Similarly, we can group others, and it's really good in presenting the data, and your data will look more attractive if you apply this. And I want to contract all this cost into one here, and to contract this group, and I can okay, this is done. And the last one, this I can group. So by this you can show all this. And now I want to okay, let me hide this. And now this is the first tier of group. If I want to group all this in more one cell, then what I can do, I can select this. This will be the second tier of group. If I click here, you can see this move one line instead, and if I click this, it will only show me one row here, that is total. I think this is some typo error. Total profit, it should be profit. Okay, so you can open this, and simultaneously you can expand others if you want. Expand this if you want to view the details, and you can close. You can also expand this, and you can view and close. You can expand this. So this was grouping of rows. So similarly we have grouping of columns as well. So what I can do, uh, I want to only have the view of the total, what are the total employees and profit cost of the organization. So what I can do, I can go and select this column region, and I can go and click in group. You can see it has inserted a group row here, and I click this, it will hide the data for me. So this is how you can group the data, and it will look attractive, and you can only show the required fields, and the rest of the fields will be there for your reference. If you want, you can expand and you can have a look to the details of each section. So that's in the group. Now let's move to the ungroup function. in the second part of this video, we are going to look to the function called ungroup. So in ungroup function, there are two types. One, if you want to decrease the group by one or two, then you can use the group ungroup function. Or if you want to remove all the group, then also you can use the ungroup function. So first we'll be looking how to remove or ungroup columns. So we have ungrouped all the regions, that is India, China, Dubai, US and Canada. So I want to remove India from this group, and I want to view the company along with the one region, that is India. So what I can do, I can select here and I can click on ungroup. And now if I click on the group function, then it will only group other regions except India. This is how you can decrease or you can increase the group. But now if I want to add this in group, then I will click, and it will automatically expand and include it again in the group. This is how you can increase or decrease the group. Now if I want to remove all the groups from the column, then I can select all of this and click on ungroup. It will remove the group from the columns. So this is how you can group or ungroup in columns. Sorry about this, I have a really bad throat today. And now let's move to the how we can ungroup the rows. I want to remove the entire row ungroup, that is tier 2. If we have applied any two groups on a different level over the rows or over the column, then it will be called second, third and fourth and so on. The tier will keep increasing. As you can see here, I have applied one group, and above that I have applied another group. So this is the second tier, this is the first tier. So now coming to the topic, that is, if I want to ungroup this entire region, so I select this and click on ungroup. So it will automatically remove the second tier of the group. Now if I want to remove this group, then I can select this and I can click on ungroup. It will ungroup this. Now if I want to ungroup only this two, then I will select this and click on ungroup. It will be removed from the group. If I click, it will only group the rest of the things. So now if I want to remove all of this at a time, then I can select all of this, click on ungroup. All the groups will be removed. So this is how you can ungroup a function. Sorry, you can ungroup the seat and group. So this group function is used to contract and hide the data, and and you can view it from a click. It will it will really make your data more presentable, and the required fields will be shown on the front. So that's all in this video. Have a good time. um, be happy and be safe. Thank you. If you like my video, do subscribe, comment and promote my channel. Have a good day.